Making a professional presentation is often overwhelming. Have you ever racked your brain to design a beautiful slide? You spend a lot of time adjusting fonts, aligning formats, and carefully considering the layout, but the final result is often unsatisfactory and difficult to really grab the audience's attention, whether it is a teacher who needs to carefully prepare lessons for different courses, a professional who needs to report work progress to the leader, or a sales elite who needs to present solutions to different customers. You may need to make a lot of PPTs, facing different reporting objects. Most maddening thing is to repeatedly adjust the font size and style, align various elements in multiple PPT, just to make them look neat and uniform. This boring work is simply a waste of precious energy, power, and time. Now imagine instantly turning your ideas into stunning presentations in just, no need to worry about tedious design details, no need to worry about complex layouts. You only need to focus on the output of the core content, pour your wisdom and ideas into the text and data, and leave the rest to AiPPT. It can help you generate beautiful and professional slides, an instant, greatly reducing the production time, allowing you to focus more on more important things, thereby significantly improving your work efficiency. Want to try it? Just hit the link in the description below. First, go to AiPPT.com and press enter. You'll land on the homepage. Feel free to scroll and check out what it offers. Now click on Sign Up. Now this takes you to the main workspace. Here, you'll see a few options: AI Generate, Import Documents, Import from Google Drive, Import from URL. To get started, type your slide topic into the input field, then choose how many pages you want, the language, your preferred tone, the audience, and finally the scenario. Let's go ahead and generate a PowerPoint, using just one prompt. Our topic will be Electric Vehicle Sales Quarterly Business Report. We'll select number of pages, based on preference, language English, tone professional, audience student, scenario general. Once all the details are entered, press enter. The AI will now process the prompt. As you can see, it has created an outline for our presentation. If you're happy with the outline, click continue. If not, you can refresh or edit it. Assuming we're good with it, let's move on and pick a template. You'll find lots of templates available. You can filter them by style, like minimalist, business, creative, fun, etc., or by color scheme. Pick the one that suits your topic best and you're all set. Now let's choose a template for our presentation. We'll go into the creative section and pick this one. Once selected, click Generate PPT to start building. Now you'll see your slides being generated in real time. This might take a few seconds, and it's fun to watch them come together. Once it's done, your presentation is ready. You can now edit your slides however you like, update content, tweak design, or change the layout. As you can see, it's given us a clean and professional looking deck. You can also check the outline to view the structure and flow. If you want to change anything, you can edit the outline directly, and if you'd like a different template, that's an option to say you want to switch. Just pick a new template, and the whole presentation updates automatically. As you can see, the look and feel change instantly. Now let's explore the insert section. In the insert section, you have several options, like adding text. In text option, you have titles, subtitles, and content boxes. You can manually add text or create complete slides from scratch. I'll show you how to insert these elements, adjust their positions, and customize them as needed. Next, we have the shapes feature. You'll find a variety of shapes to enhance your design. I'll demonstrate how you can use them to create clean and professional layouts. Now, let's move on to images. Simply select an image, insert it into your slide, and position it wherever you like. You can also add text over your images, or anywhere on the slide. Just go to the text option, select content, and type whatever you need. Next we have tables. Tables are perfect for presenting data clearly. I'll show you how to insert a table. click into a cell and start adding your content. And next, we have the charts option. You can choose from different types of charts to present your data. Just insert the chart you need, resize it, and place it anywhere in your slide. Here, we've added a scatter chart. As an example, you can easily switch to any other chart, and customize it with just a few clicks. After that you can present it live, play from the beginning, play from the current slide, create slide collages, or download it. When downloading, you can pick the file type PPT and editable text. Tap the link in the description to explore it. Now if you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe and hit the bell icon, so you never miss a future video from us. Thank you for watching. Like, share, and subscribe my channel.